Sitting here is one of the most culturally important things of the Plains tribes of the Native Americans. It's a powwow drum. It is the central focus of the dance. It is the central focus of ceremonies. It is carried out to the center of the ring, set up, surrounded by people who will sing, each singer with a drumstick. All sitting around it in a big circle. Surrounding those will be the dancers who are dancing. Around the dancers will be those who are onlookers and watching. When you get a lot of drummers, you'll have sticks coming from every different direction around there. That's why the sticks are so long, so you can sit further back, have more people in the circle. And then drumsticks. Though only one stick is used by each drummer at each time. Sitting here in my southern straight regalia, smiling. You can't see that because my head's cut off in the view here. But this is home. This is the sounds that I grew up with. This is the sounds of Native America. This is the sounds of the powwow, where people of different tribes could come together and share and meet one another and maybe get married and maybe trade and have fun. The powwow is a central part of Plains traditions. You hear that drum from miles away and go, oh, something good is happening. And so you want to go there, you want to be a part of that. I wrote a little song because I didn't want to borrow anybody else's. Songs belong to peoples. Songs belong to tribes. And I wanted a song that my students here in Galveston ISD would be able to use and be able to sing. So I wrote one in English. And it honors the tribes I grew up with, the Kiowa, the Comanche, the Warm Springs Apache, in the region around Lawton, Oklahoma, and near the place called Rainy Mountain. And again, you can't see me smiling, but I guarantee you that I am thinking of those places. But let's go ahead and get a little bit of that sound.